language arts, or you can say the chapter that we are going to study today is personal pronouns. And you have already started learning this topic, this chapter in the last class. You have covered first two lessons. So we'll start with the third lesson today. Replace the singular noun with a pronoun. Let's quickly begin the chapter, the lesson. Replace the singular noun with a pronoun. Let's recall today as well. What is a pronoun? A pronoun is a word that takes the place of a noun or nouns. Why is it mentioned separately? Why? Because it can take the place of a singular noun, or nouns means more than one. They can take the place of plural nouns as well. But the main part is a pronoun is a word that takes the place of a noun or nouns. When you don't want to repeat nouns, we use pronouns. So to avoid the repetition, to avoid the repetition of nouns, or to give some other word a place of noun, we use pronoun. Pronoun takes the place of a noun or nouns, means singular or plural. They can take the place of both. Singular nouns take the place of, singular pronouns take the place of singular nouns. And what are singular nouns? Name of one person, name of one place, or name of one thing. Well, singular pronouns take the place of singular nouns. Well, plural pronouns cannot take the place of singular nouns. It's really not possible because obviously when you talk about one person, you'll use a pronoun which is used for one person. We cannot use the pronoun which is used for more than one person. So, singular pronouns take the place of singular nouns, and the singular nouns are names of one person, one place, or one thing. We have some examples here. Let's read the first one. Leah liked the book. Leah liked the book. Leah is a name of a person who liked the book. The book is a name of a thing, and it is also a noun. The name of a person, Leah, is also a noun. But you can see it's a singular noun, name of one person. Book, name of one thing, again, a singular noun. So the pronouns which can take the place of these two nouns mentioned in this sentence, the pronouns are she. Well, Leah is a name of a female person. So the pronoun, the personal pronoun that can take the place of a singular female person is she. We use she for a woman or a girl if it is singular. If there is just one woman or one girl, she takes the place of Leah and it can replace. And the book, just one book, singular noun. So we have a personal pronoun, it, which we use in place of names of things or animals. So it takes the place of the book. If you rewrite the sentence using personal pronouns or pronouns, you will write it she liked it. So as you can see, Leah and the pronoun, singular pronoun she, replaces it, takes its place. The book is the noun, singular noun, and it takes the place of this singular noun. So, yes, singular pronouns take the place of singular nouns. Okay, so we have here these are singular pronouns. There's a list here. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight. These are singular personal pronouns, which can take the place of singular noun. The first one, I, you, I. This is used when we want to talk about ourselves. We use it. You, for the person we are talking to, for the second person we are talking to, we use this singular pronoun. And you is a singular pronoun here, but it is a plural pronoun as well. We'll discuss it later in the next lesson. He. He is a singular pronoun which takes the place of singular noun, means name of one boy or name of one man. She, as I have discussed with you, it takes the place of singular noun, name of one girl or name of one woman. It, it, I have told you, it is used in place of a name of a thing, or one animal. Me. Me is related to I. How? Because again, we use it for our own self when we talk about ourself. We use it. Him. Him is related to he. Why? Because it is also used in place of one boy or one man for a singular noun. She, sorry, her. Her is linked with she. Both are used for female, singular female person, a woman, one woman, or one girl. So these are singular pronouns which take the place of singular nouns. Okay, I hope you understand it. So it's time for the test. Let's begin it. Hello, everyone. Those who have joined us, I welcome you all. Okay, complete the sentence with the best pronoun. Well, we have one word missing here, as you can see the blank, but in front of it, the name of a person is written. Miss Hodge. Well, we will not consider it, but it will be a hint for us that we have to complete the sentence with the best pronoun. In place of this name, we have to use a pronoun. Blank goes running every morning before school. He or she or her, she or her. Which word can be used here in the beginning of the sentence in place of this noun, Miss Hodge? She? She goes running? or her goes running? Which one suits best? Well, yes, she. She goes running every morning before school. Well, Miss Taj is a name of a woman or a girl. And as I've told you, we can use she or her. But why did we choose she? Because it's the subject place. And she is the subject pronoun. It's a subject place. So we have to use she. Very well. Correct answer. Hmm. The next one. Just for fun, I made blank a fuzzy hat. Well, the hint is my brother. So you have to complete the sentence with a best pronoun which can take the place of this noun, my brother. So can it be him or his? Just for fun, I made him a fuzzy hat, or I made his a fuzzy hat. What can be the correct answer? I'm giving you time now. So let's think about it. Basil, if I'm not saying your name wrong, you guessed it right. It's him. Very well. I made him a fuzzy hat. Even blank doesn't know how the computer works. Well, the noun that we have is Mr. McCoy. Mr. McCoy is the name of a person. Which pronoun can be used here? He or him? Even he doesn't know how the computer works, or him doesn't know how the computer works. I'm getting answers from some students, but I'm letting others also guess. I'm waiting for a few more minutes, then I'll reveal. Well, it's time to find the answer. Very good. He, even he doesn't know how the computer works. So the best pronoun is he. The next one is blank pushed, or you can say Bill pushed the button and the elevator doors opened. So in place of Bill, in place of this noun, which pronoun can be used? He or him? Pick one. Amin. Is this the answer for the next for question number 4? I'm getting answers. Well, I'm happy to say this that you all guessed it right. He. He pushed the button and the elevator doors opened. Good job. Winter will be here before you know it. Well, winter, the name of season. It's not a name of a person. So it or its What can be the answer? It will be here or its will be here before you know it. Hmm, yes, I got one answer. It. So the word, the pronoun that can take the place of this noun winter is it. It will be here before you know it. Okay, so the next one is Mrs. Hunt went fly fishing in Montana last summer. Complete the sentence with the best pronoun. Mrs. Hunt went fly fishing in Montana last summer. She or her. Which pronoun can take the place of this noun, Mrs. Hunt? And look at the place as well. She or her. As I've told you, you have to check is it the subject place or the object place. So decide accordingly. She or her. These two are the options. So pick one. Yes, she. This is the subject place, so we'll use she. She is the pronoun which can replace this noun, Mrs. Hunt. She went fly fishing in Montana last summer. Good job to those who gave the correct answer. Very well. Keep it up. Will David help Mrs. Richmond paint the backstairs? Well, the name is David, and you have to replace it. You have to use the best pronoun in its place. So, will blank help Mrs. Richmond paint the backstairs? He or him? Okay, so has anybody answered? Yes, I got the answers. Wow, the correct one. He. Will he help Mrs. Richmond paint the backstairs? Very well, good job. Will you pick blank for your basketball team? And the name here is, the noun is Erica. Erica, is it a name Yeah, it's the name of a female person. So, which option is best? Her or she? Will you pick her for your basketball team, or will you pick she for your basketball team? So, choose the best one. Will you pick her or she? Let's check the answers. Okay, good. One option was incorrect, I guess, but the same person, cool hoops. Well, you also gave the right answer. So, yes, it's her. Will you pick her for your basketball team? It's correct. Does blank really have 12 goats and 3 horses? And the name is Mr. Which pronoun can take the place of Mr. Boyer? He or him? Does he really have 12 goats and 3 horses? Or does him really have? So, what can it be? Think about it. Hmm. Well, it's better if you just give answer one time. There is no need to say it again. I get your answer. I can see it. But just one or two persons answered. Two students answered. I'm waiting for more. Does he really have 12 goats? Or does him really have 12 goats and 3 horses? Okay, let's not make you wait. It's he. Good. Good job. It's he. Does he really have 12 goats and 3 horses? Not even blank could find that book. The noun is the lady at the library. Well, don't get worried. It's a long noun, but look at the word lady. You know it. This is a noun. Not even the lady could find that book. So which best now pronoun can best replace it? She or her? Not even she could find the book, or not even her could find that book. Well, good. The correct answer. She, not even she, could find that book. Okay, so let's stop here this lesson. I hope you understand how to replace the singular noun with a pronoun. We'll move to the second lesson, the fourth lesson, I should say. Second lesson for today, but it's the fourth lesson of the chapter, personal pronouns. In this one, we'll learn how to replace the plural noun with a pronoun. It's the same. Plural pronouns take the place of plural nouns. As we read about singular pronouns, it's almost same because it makes sense. Plural pronouns take the place of plural. And what are plural nouns? Names of more than one person, more than one place, or more than one thing. So we have learned that plural pronouns take the place of plural nouns. And what are plural nouns? More names of more than one person, more than one place, more than one thing. Let's read the sentence, then more. The liked books. The kids liked the books. Kids. Kids is a plural noun used for more than one kid. See, it ends at S. See, kids. It means it's a plural noun. Then we have another noun, books. Books also ends at S. It means it is more than one book. More than one book means not singular, it is plural. So, yeah. Now, if you have to replace these plural nouns with plural pronouns, which plural pronouns? Can we use he? Can we use it here? No. We have different options. We have plural pronouns. So the first one is they. They is a plural pronoun which takes the place of names of people as well and names of things as well. They. But I'll tell you why these two words are used here, they and them, why they are different. Well, here they takes the place of the kids, the plural noun. And here them. Them takes the place of the books. They liked them. They, the kids, liked them, the books. Well, why there are two words, different words? They are not different. Well, their place is different. They is in the subject place and them is in the object place. Them is the object pronoun. They is the subject pronoun. Otherwise, if the sentence starts with the books, the books are on the table. And if I ask you to replace this noun, the books, with a pronoun, what would you do? You will replace it with a plural pronoun, they. They are on the table. Here we are not replacing the table, not every noun, but just this plural noun. So here again, they is used to take the place of this plural pronoun, the books. Now, why did we use they here in its place? Because the place is subject place. This is subject pronoun. So, plural pronouns take the place of plural nouns. See, like this. Now we have some plural pronouns. These are plural pronouns. We is used for when we talk about ourselves and another person. Then we use we. You. You must be confused here. Why you is a plural pronoun as well when we learned earlier that it is a singular pronoun, while you is both a singular pronoun and a plural pronoun. If I talk to just one person sitting in front of me, that would be second person, and I'll call that person as you. But if there are more than one person, if there is more than one person sitting in front of me, so I'll say same, I'll use the same word, you. So you is both singular and plural pronoun. They, as we have discussed here, they is a plural pronoun used in place of the name of one, more than one person, more than one thing. Again, us. Us is linked with we. We and us. We is a subject pronoun. Us is the object pronoun. And them and they are related like this. They, subject pronoun, them, object pronoun. Again, same, they are used for more than one person or thing or place, even. I hope it is clear. I hope you understand how plural pronouns take the place of plural nouns. Let's begin the test. Oh, it's a mistake. I did not do it deliberately. It happened by mistake. So don't think this is the answer, or we can just reload the page. Okay. Complete the sentence with best pronoun. Sometimes Laura feeds blank apples. And the noun is the horses. Horses, animals, more than one. It's a plural noun. So which pronoun can take its place? Sometimes Laura feeds them apples, or sometimes Laura feeds they apples. Well, I have seen the comments. Some of the kids are impatient. It's okay. We have begun the test, so you must be happy. Now find the answer. Them or they. Sometimes Laura feeds them apples or feeds they apples. Just one kid answered. I'm waiting for more. I mean, are you getting bored? Why not answering? Yes, it's them. The student who has answered, it's correct, good job. It's them. Sometimes Laura feeds them. Miss McDaniel tells Zach and me about some good books. Zach and me is the plural noun option for you. Now, I told you earlier when you talk about yourself and another person together, you use one pronoun, plural pronoun. That is we or us. So here, which one suits best? Which one seems best? Miss McDaniels tells us about some good books or tells we about some good books. I'm waiting. Just think. Okay, so I'll accept the answer. Oh, I got two. Good, it's correct. Miss McDaniels tells us about some good books. Very well. Even in the summer, those mountains had snow. The plural noun is those mountains. Which pronoun can take its place? They or them? So, guess. They or them? Hmm. Yes, it's they. Even in the summer, they had snow. They is used in place of the noun, the plural noun, those mountains. Good job. Ted hopes to see whales in the sea. Well, the noun whales must be replaced with a pronoun, the plural pronoun. So Ted hopes to see them in the sea, or Ted hopes to see they in the sea, which can be used in place of this plural noun whales. Them or they. Hmm. Basil, you are quick to answer. Hmm. Good. I got two answers. Answer from two students. Yes, it's correct. Ted hopes to see them in the sea. And here, them is replacing the plural noun whales. You can count on Ben and me, Mrs. Boyd, You can count on Ben and me, Mrs. Boyd. Now again, you have two options, us or we. Which plural pronoun can take the place of this plural noun, Ben and me? Well, this is two persons together, mentioned together. So is it us or we? Yes, it's us. You can count on us, Mrs. Boyd. Last summer, I went all over Europe on the noun is trains. So, which plural pronoun can replace it? Them or they? Last summer, I went all over Europe on blank. The noun option is trains, a plural noun. Them or they? Well, the correct answer is them. Very good. Yes, it's them. Last summer, I went all over Europe on them, on trains. Okay, the next one is before the trip, Bella and I had never seen a whale. Have you ever seen a whale? I haven't. So the option here is we or us. Before that trip, Bella and I. Now you have to replace this noun, this plural noun, with a plural pronoun, we or us. Think about it. Okay, so I got the answer. Oh, one student just gave an incorrect answer, but it's okay. You can learn here. Let me tell you again why it's incorrect. Before that trip, we had never seen a whale. Are we choosing we? Why cannot we use us? Because we is the subject pronoun and it's the subject place. We had never seen a whale because the subject tells who or what is doing something. So we had never seen a whale. It's correct. I hope you understand. Now the next one. The birds flew away when someone walked by. The pronoun that must be replaced with the plural noun is we have two options. The plural noun is the birds. Which pronoun can take its place? They or them? They flew away when someone walked by, or them flew away when someone walked by? Which is the correct answer? Let me know. I'm waiting for your answer. Well, I got some answers. Yes, they. They is the answer. They flew away when someone walked by. Why is it they? Because they is a subject pronoun and it is the subject place. We have to use a subject tells who is doing something or what is doing something. So yes, it's they. The painters painted our house in just one day. Wow, it's quite amazing. Okay, the noun, the plural noun is the painters, and you have to use the best plural pronoun in its place. They or them? Tell me. And it's going to be the last one from our side. They. Yes. They painted our house in just one day. Okay. I hope you understand these two lessons that we have studied today, how to replace the singular noun with a pronoun and how to replace the plural noun with a pronoun. You can practice some more questions from your side and best of luck. I'll see you soon. Bye.